Hello everyone, good morning. This is Patrick, PHC trader. Today I've been out for a while. We are June the 12th, 2025. Right now it's 9:27 market to open in a few minutes. Let's see. Let me put my bar. Market open. All right. Would like to see the candle going all the way down to VWAP and then rebounds back up. One, two, three, four, five. We got 8%, 8.01 ATR. RSI here. It's going down. MACD's going down. Could have a candle that goes down. At 9:28. One more minute. This is a 50. This is a 1,000. Yeah, this is the 1,000. This one here. Let's see what's going on in the 5 minutes. Showing we're going down. The 1 hour, we're hitting the 50. Big green candle. It's not obvious that we're going to go down. C'est pas vraiment 100% qu'on s'en va vers le bas. Voilà, 9:30. Very volatile. You don't touch this. Whoop, 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 whoop. First candle of the day, 18 to 63, 64, so 80, 92 points, 82 points, 82, half or points. Going back down or maybe up again. 1073 is the ATR. We almost touch the high of that candle there. Of this candle here. This one here. We almost went to the same height. Long wick showing we're going up. Think we may go up to this. You gotta wait, things slow down a little bit. We have the opening range forming slowly. 11.84. All right, we got the fifth candles forming. All right. We just went up. 13.1 is the ATR. Long wick on the above, long wick bottom. This is the 200th on the 5 minutes. VWAP, we got the 105, which is a nasty one. Be careful there. So if we look, we went up. We could still go up. Long way from the 15 minutes. It's pushing down. The 1 hour. Let's see. All right, let's see what happened here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14.37. The ATR went up a little bit. If I take a trade, it's going to be $110. Goes to take 2 trades and stop. But I got the VWAP here. This is some sort of consolidation. I don't see anything going on for now. On the left, we have our ES. ES usually gives me a heads up a little bit about where the NQ will be going. Big long green candle. This is my prior close on top here, the hashtag hash dash line here. Very strong, powerful candle. $883.75. Yeah, this is a stopper right there. It did not really. "22 seconds for this candle going, showing it's being the buyer, the sellers, or holding this green candle to keep going up. We got 5 seconds here. Let's see where this candle closes. It did close above 940. 5 minutes before we have our opening range. We have a long wick here saying that no, we don't want to go up. Still pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Everything is pushing up so far. Not enough. ATR 16.57, which is good. This is a good push here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. No, it went down. I don't want to do that. This one may work though. Get the wicks here. So we have the opening range and here we have the prior close. So there are 2 resistance here. 2 long candles. On the 15-minute, it actually almost touched the prior close. On the hourly, same thing. We're seeing some push up right now. If I were to take a trade here, I would have risk reward would be 60 to 82. That's not a good. I wouldn't take a trade right now. Why? Because if my candle closed here, which is 882, I would expect to go all the way down to here to the 9th. 859, 860. This is, oh my god, that's 60 points. Isn't it? 60 to 100, it's 40, 40 to 80. No, see, it's 20 points. It's $400. See, the 9 is not really going up aggressively. It does show more aggressivity on the 9 on the 5 minutes. Looks good. The 15 minutes little bull flag. It could be a bull flag right here. I would want to wait until I pass the prior close, which is about to do it on the 15 minutes. $16.03 ATR, which is good. VU up is flattening out a little bit. RSI, it's joining the yellow line. Oh, it's moving maybe a tiny bit up. 16.1 is the ATR. We're right in this middle here. This is not a place to trade for now, anyway. $28 seconds, 27. Let's see where it closed. Below. It's pushing up. Pushing up. Really not a good one right now. $45. This is my opening range right now. So my opening range and the prior close are right on top of each other. I got a 15, almost 16 ATR. RSI going up. The 1 hour candle is almost crossed the prior close. On the 15 minutes, it never did cross the prior close. We have a candle going down now. 5 minutes is the same. Maybe that's as high as we're going to go right now. We are in a trend going up, so I'm not going to take a trade going against the trend. That yellow line here is my trend. Zero trade for now. $110 per trade. We're still in this section here where there's buyers and sellers. So I'd like to wait until we get above here if we go up. If we keep going up, the hourly is still looking good. Didn't get through the prior close. Same with the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes. So we're kind of stuck there. Here we have the 1 minute. VWAP is here, the 200, the 1000. Okay. We gotta wait until we pass all this and come back down and go back up. Our 50, the 21, the 9th, they're all separated well. We had a cross here at 9:31. That was a nice big candle. We checked the 21 here, and after that we've been pretty much following the 9. Look at this candle, just touched the 9, going back up. We have a big candle on the 15, still not crossing. I think we're just about to do so. We tried to cross 1, 2, 3 times so far to cross the prior close. We just did. Okay. Even if we pass it, I'm afraid that we're gonna come and double check it again. This is a strong candle. But we've got the prior close as well as the opening range, so that's why I'm not taking a trade now. Too much resistance. Whoop. I know we're gonna go up. Then we should come back down and then go up again, then I'll get in. Okay, we haven't closed, we have 10 minutes on the 15. Got 29 seconds. See if it closes above. If it does, that's good news. $15, $14. Look, I'm looking at the time here. Four, three, two, one. Okay. Coming down. It's maybe a little bull flag to get. This should be one. Good. See, we went all the way down. Hopefully we go back up. Oh, we closed below. We closed above, but now we're below. 8 minutes on the 15. Yeah, earlier you can see that we cross the prior close. Maybe we're just revisiting the 20 right here. That could be a bull flag. We had a bull flag here. We had another bull flag right here. Okay, we've got 2 minutes 45. important. The 15, very important. More I listen to people out there and read, more I realize that the 15 minutes is very important to most of the traders out there. So this candle got close above this. Would be tempted to take a trade. Looks like it doesn't want to go much higher than this region here. See where the all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I'm just making some adjustment to my charts just so I can see better. Numbers are too small. Right here. See the timing there, the timing. 5 seconds here. It's gonna close below. I got a feeling we're gonna be going down, guys. Like to see the 9 cross. The 21. Let's make that's a big sell-off here. Those big candles, I'm not crazy about them, to be honest with you. I didn't take that trade. Candles too big. Risk reward too big. Not in my favor, because I would have to put my stop loss here. Right? And we're talking about what? Let's say 850. 77, it's 30 points roughly. Times 2, it's 120 times 2. Too much money. Times 2 points, times $20 per points. All right. Almost 10 o'clock. All right, guys. No worries. We just started. There wasn't any trades in my case with my strategy here today. We have a long wick on the 5 minutes showing pushing up. The candle on the 1 hour is coming down a little bit. The 9 and the 21 is about to cross. Could be a reversal going back in the middle of the opening range. This is a fourth candle, 1 minute forming right now. Drastically going down on the 5 minutes as well as the 15 minutes. Being pushed up again by the buyers. Looks like in between the 890 and 844, it's 50 points here. Been consolidating. The opening range is 884, 818, so it's about 62 points, 64 points, 66 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ATR 15.82, which is all right. Looks like we're going down on the 5, on the 15. On the 1 hour, I see being pushed up a little bit. We cross on the 1 minute. We've got some buyers coming in again. If we look far, let's look at the 5 minutes real quick. So there is a line here to be aware of. That's where it stopped. We have another one here. We have another one here. Pivot point at 21,926. Consolidating, my friends. On est en consolidation. Let's see the ES. This is an uptrend, right? Because of this line here, the gold line. Look on the 5 minutes, we show clearly an uptrend. But we see a cross on the, do we have a cross on the 5 minutes? Not yet. 15 minutes, look, it's going down. This is a nasty one, this one here. This one here. Dangerous. Choppy day, choppy day. If I don't make any trades. Yesterday I made $20. And I redid my day yesterday. And I just missed an opportunity. I was scared. It's all in your head, right? I'm doing these videos so I can show you that I'm like everybody else. Of course. And which is, it's a mental game. You have to keep practicing and to keep doing it. And if I go 1 or 2 days without doing anything, without practicing my two hours a day, I can see a difference. I'm more hesitant to get into a trade. I'm less confident. So, and that plays a lot. I redid my day yesterday, like I was saying a second ago, and I was like over $300 in the first half hour. Why? Because the opportunity was there, and I was not afraid to take it. When you don't practice, you're just more hesitant. It's like you're not seeing things as often as you wish, as you need to look at them in order to accept and feel confident about your trade. This is a big wick going down, right? Okay, this is a big deal. That's the 10 o'clock news. So that's a huge candle. Hesitant to take it. No, look, you've got the opening range. That's going to go down. See, it's taking time. 10 seconds. Plus, I'm far. Look, there's a cross here. Let's see. This one, I got 1 minute. I'd like to see it close above. This one is eating this one. 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 51 minutes. So what do I see? This is 6. It could be a good opportunity if I get something above here. Not this one, the following one. I'd like to see this red candle go down and touch this. It's hesitating right here. It's closing above 5 minutes, 15 seconds. So we'll pull back. There's a lot of hesitation going back up. I don't like that. 17, good. ATR. Looks like it's stopping at 21,900. Oh, it's 21,900. That's why. 21,900. We need to pass this. It's a big level. Always a level. Always a darn level. 16. What time is it? 10, 11. That could have been a trade here that I missed. Long candle went all the way back down here. Makes sense. Looks like we have a support now. Yeah. We did cross. Looks like we have a little bit of momentum here. Very tight. It doesn't want to move much. 29 seconds. It may go down now. See, it's not pushing up at all.
Order filled.
I didn't mean to do that.
Order filled.
I didn't mean to do that. So $16. That's 10. Goes too high. Oh, I don't like that. It's too tight. Pivot. See the pivot? It almost touched the pivot point here, like you can see on the 5 minutes. So when you have a wick that goes all the way up, comes down, you don't really want to enter because it's already got refused at the pivot point. So we do see an uptrend here. We just have this pivot. What is it? This line here. This is the prior open. Prior open. $14. All right. The 5 minutes shows that we're going up. The 15 minutes shows we're going up, and it's the same with the hour. All right. All we have is a pivot point on each of them. So we can go through or we can just bounce back. On the 1 minute, we tried to go through twice. So far, nothing. Let's look at the 5 minutes. We got a pivot. Then we look at that red line here. Red line is prior week high. It's going to be another one. 35. All right, let's go back and see what we got. We'll try with 54 seconds. Let's see if we can at least close. All right. Under 3-4-5. Okay. So what do we got here? We got the 9 is going a little flat. Still in an uptrend. Definitely on the 5 minutes. Almost like a doji, the last candle of the 5 minutes. Which is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's this candle right here. We got 14.36 ATR, so it did diminish. If we look at the MACD, it's pretty flattening. Flattening is the RSI. It's oversold, the RSI. Looks like it. Oversold, overbought, oversold. The RSI may be a little towards the overbought. Anyway, that's what I want to say. Okay, see. On the day, $60 so far. Just this little baby trade here. Did go here, I would have went there. That was a good one. A little pull back here. Excuse me. Let's look at the ES. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just doing my box. Okay, we're going up. We crossed over. I don't understand why I don't see that. See this one here. 9:21, 9:34. Okay, we got, see the 5 minutes, wick went above. This is prior week. Prior week high. Down at 12.86 the ATR. Red candle showing an attempt for reversal across the 21. Bounce back off the 21 and going back up, still red. 3 seconds, 2, 1, okay. We close the candle inside the box. Good chance we keep going back up. That could be just a bull flag. (10:26 a.m. June 12th, 2025. $60. Okay, the RSI is going down. If you look at the MACD, you can see there's a cross here. A cross on the RSI, cross on the MACD. 13 point. All right, I'm just see what we got here. Five minutes to attempt to go through the pivot. We crossed the pivot, so that's a good thing. We're right on the 20 on the 1 minute. On the 9 exponential moving average. All right. just drawing my boxes on ES and Q. Looks like, look at the 9 going up. You got some nice wick going up here. 14 minutes to go. We close the green one with a little wick. Almost like a doji, right? Which is probably this. Yeah. It did touch the 21. So this one 17 to, that's 6 points. 12.38. Here I should have got $110. Cross. The hourly candle, we're going up. 15 minutes. Still trying to go through the pivot. Same with the 5. Bitcoin to fall to 107. All right, let's see what we got here. Still going on a sideways. So far, we're just going sideways, guys. Nothing to trade for the moment. ATR at 12. Not good, not terrible. Almost 0.2%. Is that what it is? Yeah, 0.2% from the opening. 20 seconds. Consolidation. Look at all these wick on the 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost 5 times we're trying to get in there. More than that. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Really trying to get above that line. May go through straight to 21,946. $10.35. So we did, as soon as we went above the opening range, went up a little bit and been consolidating since then. Five minutes, we got a red candle going down a little bit. Same with the 15 minutes. Being rejected by the pivot. 1 hour being rejected by the pivot, but still early. I got the VWAP crossing the 9th. Okay, that could be a good one. Well, usually it's going to go back down. Or it could keep going up, which is not an ideal situation here. It went through C147. Let's wait, because we have the prior close. Let's stop right there. "48 seconds. I'm just stretching my legs, guys. All right, we got 48 seconds, 36 seconds on 5 minutes. Let's see if it's going to close above this prior week low. I think it's a prior week low. I forget. High, prior week high. Excuse me. Pardonnez-moi. Excuse me. All right, 1040. May have a reversal, usually at 1040. Shift tradable move. So we look like we have a bull flag here. Little bull flag. Would be interesting. We have an uptrend here. Look on the 5 minutes. Looks like we're going up on the hour 15. We have got to go above this. But this line, which is the prior open, is a little frigger. Mm-hmm. 11.71, which is the ATR. Our size says we can still go up. The VWAP says we can still go up. 18 minutes on the hourly candle, 3 minutes on the 15, and 3 minutes on the 5. Gotta go to the bathroom. Degrees, 82 degrees outside. 82. Sunny day. All right. Looking at the 15 minutes. Stuck. Could be another bull flag here. See what we got above us. There's another one. Looks like we want to go up, but having a hard time here. La difficulté à aller de plus haut. 43 seconds with the 15 minute. See, hopefully it's going to close above. Would be nice if it did close above the ash blue here. 11.02. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. We got this done. Going very slowly. 1061 is the ATR. Went down. It's only 10:45. So since 10:15, we haven't done much. Been consolidating. Then we moved a little bit higher. $70 to 43. $872. Oh, it's still a good 70 to 80 points we went up. $957. So the wick went above. Went above, but then sellers are coming in. Yeah. I'm looking at the Ninja Trader online, the web application. Oh, I want to see the 15 minutes. We could still go to 22.55. Still have a chance to keep going up. That's another bull flag here. I don't know. Looks like we're going down now. Having a hard time. 5 minutes. Shows upward movement. Went up again. It's been such a tough resistance here. And with the long wick, so that it would be reluctant to get in because of this long wick. If it goes above, we'll need to close above. 20 seconds left. This is really, I would need it to close above this wick. Doesn't look like it's ready yet, just yet. It's going up to the top of my box, but I need this green candle to kind of close above this wick here. Look, I got all these wick down. Am I closing upward? 27 seconds. Let's see where I'm closing here. It'd be nice if I close above. Looks like I'm gonna close 17 seconds. I did, and it went, oh no, look at this candle here. It did not close above. Look, I'll show you. It says 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This green candle did not close above this box. Now I got this big red one here, rejecting. So that went 47 to 37, 10 points. ATR is at 9.49, not that good, to be honest. Still showing up trend on the 5. Got 9 minutes to see if we're gonna get over the prior close. I should write it down. Prior open. God. Looks like we're going down again. If you look at this candle here, look how it did close above this resistance. Big green red candle like this doesn't mean crap to me. I wonder if it's gonna go and touch the pivot. Would be nice, then go back up. It's not passing much at 20. So the 21 is still strong. Was not able to pass above it. Could be a bull flag here. I think we're going to consolidation again. Got a big candle on the 5 minutes. On the 15, we have a significant candle rejection at the prior open. The hourly did not close yet again. We don't have a wick that went through the prior open either. That was a big candle though on the hourly. $10.53 approaching 11. One trade, $60. Look like we're still in the game. 9.11 ATR. MACD slowly going down, RSI crossing, going up. 5 minutes, we got a bear candle. 15 minutes, we got green candles trying to pass over the prior week open. The 1 hour was still stuck there. We're in an uptrend, right? Look. We barely moved up. What is it? We got 21,928 to 21,940. We went 20 points in the past 25 minutes. That's not quick movement. I haven't looked at the ES in a while. I'd like to make more than $60 today, that's for sure. Eleven a.m. June 12th, 2025. Trading the Nasdaq with an eval. Take profit trader. 25K. Looks like we're going down now. I see a movement downward in an uptrend, which is not something I'm willing to take right now, especially when I got a pivot right here and 8.85 ATR, which is very low. Big wick going down, so that could be if I were that's usually a shift that we get at 11. This is the fifth candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going back up aggressively. "35 seconds on the 1 minute chart remaining for this green candle. Could be a bull flag here. Nice little bull flag. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was below, so are we gonna pass it or not? 15 minutes, it's still stuck there. Wants to go up. $9.76. Fuck. Excuse my language. I mean, what am I supposed to do with a candle like this? Oh, mamma mia. ATR 10. Alright, come on. Pull back, pull back, pull back. I can't buy. I'm going against my rule. This needs to come down, back down. Look, this past even this. What is it? This is 934. 934. Risk reward, look how far we are. You didn't cross up the 9 and the 21. There was some news. That another little bull flag here. Up. Revisit this hashtag line here. Not even a little. 9 minutes, 4 minutes, 54 minutes. Is that what happened here? 54 minutes, 6 minutes ago. Boom, boom, boom. Is that what happened? I wonder if that big candle here has nothing. That was 11:02. The hourly candle. I have to follow my rule. Still room to go up. Looks like maybe the end of it. Went down to touch the 21 on the 1 minute chart. Drastic move towards red candle going down. 15 minutes, long wick showing down. That was it's 11:08. That was at 11 o'clock move, which is 11 o'clock usually can be a shift. Excuse me, from one direction to another. Looking at the day so far, going up slowly. A lot of consolidation. One move here, a little move there. 9.92 ATR. If it does, that could be... But I'm in an uptrend, so I'm not going to take this trade, right? 8 seconds. No, I think it's still going to go back up. That long wick, you have a support. Hesitating to go back up. Uh-oh. Strong candle going toward down. This could be a bearish flag. Bear flag. Maybe not. ATR at 9. 9.9, 9.91. 5 minutes was showing some a bear flag. It's the 5 minutes bear flag. Could have a green candle popping up right here. $20. Let's see on the 15 minutes where it's gonna close. $20. 5, 4, 3. One did close above. Mm-hmm. Big candle going down. This is like a, you know, oh God, it's the Chris. C'est pas des... Oh man, I'm so tired of this stuff. Unbelievable. All the way down to the pivot. Was cursing in French, guys. You don't want to hear that. All the way to here. This is just a big pain. About to the 21. May just go back up. It's only touching the 21. That's such a big deal after all. Let's see if it crosses over the pivot again. Sure did. Back up to 12 with the ATR. $11.20. We're right at the pivot right now, which is not a good place to be, honestly. Showing some resistance. And right below we've got the 105, which is a real nasty one. Going back up. Need a more volatile day. Well, 12.14 ATR, it's not bad. We got the 50, there's a cross here. Downtrend, no, not really. Still an uptrend. We just want to touch the 20, look at the 5 minutes, right? And on the 15 minutes, we didn't close below, but now we are closing below it. Some momentum here. This is like a bull flag, a bear flag. This is one leg, two. If this close below, tabarnak, whoa, man. I could have wanted to go in, but, you know. All the way down to the opening range. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna stop for the day here. So $60. It's 11:28, and I'll talk to you soon.